Dear kids, the one thing in life most important to me is your happiness. As a farmer, you always have to be prepared for the changes ahead. Take care of the crops, the land, and the environment we live in. Should you one day decide to take over, know that the road ahead will be difficult at times. But that's also the beauty of it. These challenges, they will help you learn, and you will never stop growing. And rest assured, you will not walk alone.
My name is Fiona Scott, and I manage all the day-to-day operations of our farm. This includes accounting and admin duties, and running the kids around, and helping out in the lambing shed. With farmers, we are often price takers rather than price makers, so it's important to make sure that whatever we are buying is doing its job. In my experience, quality and profitability go hand in hand. I wouldn't call myself a fertiliser expert by any means, but I do know we have used Yara fertilisers for well over 20 years. My husband and all the people around us trust Yara, and over the years the results speak for themselves.
As I walk this farm today that my dad and grandfather have worked so hard to build, I have to admit that I often worry if we'll be able to keep up the incredibly high standards they have set. My name is James Scott, I'm 20 years old, and I study agriculture at SRUC Edinburgh. The world is changing. Global warming is a very real issue. In the future, we'll have to work a lot smarter to produce enough food to feed a growing population and take better care of what precious natural resources we have. This will mean adapting to new methods and technologies that will make our farm more efficient and sustainable. With our family, it's always been quality over quantity. On this farm, we don't use a lot of fertiliser. We use the right fertiliser at the optimum rates, as there are precision tools like AppFarm to ensure applications are as efficient as can be. Yara Mila and Yara Bella have definitely played a big role in the success of this farm, and they are more relevant now than ever. For me, happiness is farming. There's nothing else I want to do.
To achieve a quality crop, efficient use of nitrogen is essential. Yara Mila or Yara Bella, together with the N sensor and AppFarm, give optimal yield and quality for your farm. Yara's nitrate-based solutions give a higher nitrogen use efficiency compared to a standard urea program, meaning growing more with less.